Hey guys, it's Brie the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So as many of you guys know, I am giving myself a little bit of a maternity leave. I did have my son on May 10th, so I'm not going to be going to the store. I'm not supposed to be doing a lot of walking right now, but I still wanted to be able to put together some of the best digital coupon deals for Walgreens for this week. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all digital coupon deals, as well as a scenario where you can grab $44 worth of products using the spend 40, get $10 back digital booster. Your final cost is $1.17. Of course, we have diaper deals as well for this week, so definitely stay tuned. I'm gonna break it all down for you in this video. If you are new to my channel, take a second, hit that red subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you. My big goal this year is to reach 100,000 on YouTube. They send you an amazing plaque. It's just something that has been a dream of mine since I started my channel back in 2019, so that would help me out a ton. Okay, let's go ahead and dive in. I'm also going to explain to you guys a little bit about using the digital boosters, when you can pay with Walgreens Cash, why, how, the whole 9 yards. I do have a free Walgreens cheat sheet that breaks it down and gives you examples as well. That'll be below for you in the description box, so definitely get that downloaded. It helped me out so much when I first started couponing at Walgreens. Once I figured it out and wrote it down, to be able to have some repetition to really let it click of when I can pay with Walgreens Cash, how much, and just the reasons why. That way I don't wind up using too much Walgreens Cash, then it blows the booster, you don't earn back the Walgreens Cash, and it kind of blows your whole deal. So we're gonna go over that a little bit later in the video. The first deal, of course, is gonna either be a freebie or a moneymaker depending on Ibotta. So for some reason, Ibotta took away the expiration dates, and it'll only pop up when it'll say, hey, you have a day left. So I'm not sure if the Ibotta rebate is still going to be available for next week. So I'm going to share the deal with you both ways. They are going to be buy two, get $3 register reward in store. That's why in the weekly ad, like you see in the top left-hand corner here, it says $3 in-store reward, because it's only going to print if you do the deal in store. Register rewards do not print for online deals, for curbside pickup deals, nothing like that. They stopped that a while ago. So what you're going to do is grab two. The cheapest ones at my store are the 3D white at $3 each. You can grab whichever ones you want. There is a 3 off 2 Crest digital coupon if you've not used it yet. You'll pay $3, get back a $3 register reward. Bam, makes them both completely free. You can also pay with Walgreens Cash. So that's why we put here it is completely free, because you're paying $3. You could pay with $3 in Walgreens Cash. Then you're just paying taxes out of pocket. Then you're getting back $3 in rewards again, which is this time a register reward. So that's why we put that it is free. So if you're using any rewards to lower your cost, which of course that's what I teach my students, that's super important, that's how you can get products for free. Now, like I said, check Ibotta. There is a $2 cashback rebate. Limit is 1. That would make it free, and a $2 moneymaker. Let's dive into the Pampers deal. So this is an in-store reward for spend $35. You're going to earn back a $10 register reward. So what you can do is, excuse me, check your digital coupons and see what you have. I had a 3 off 2 for the Easy Ups, but I already used it. A 3 off 2 for the Cruisers, and a 3 off 2 for the Swaddlers. So whichever ones you have, just mix and match based on your coupons. Grab 2 of each. There's a 3 off 2 for all of the different products. Again, if you haven't used them yet, you'll pay $36 out of pocket, get back a $10 register reward. Then you can submit to that PG rebate. So I typed out a complete email, step by step, with instructions, photos, the whole 9 yards, showing you guys how to submit your receipt for the PG rebate. And there's 2 rebates going on right now. Both of them have the option of spend 50, get back 15, or spend 20, get back a $5 Visa. You can also submit your receipt for each rebate twice per household. That's a total of up to $60 in Visa gift cards back. So I highly recommend doing that and incorporating it in your deals. So again, if you want that email, I can send it to you. The link is going to be below for you in the description box, completely free. I'll send it over to you. That way it explains it. So I definitely recommend doing that, because again, if you're going to be spending the money out of pocket anyways, if you're going to be buying these products, you may as well maximize and stack as much savings and rewards and deals as you can. So your final cost winds up being $21 for 4 packs, or about $5.25 per pack of diapers. That's almost 50% off of Walmart prices, so that's a really good deal. And for this one, you can pay with Walgreens Cash because you're earning back a register reward. Okay, Scott paper products. So they are going to be $5. There is a $1.25 store coupon. So this one over here is a store digital coupon, and this one over here is a manufacturer digital coupon. The other manufacturer digital coupon that we had expired, so just grab one. Using these coupons, you'll pay $2.75, so not a bad deal. Aussie products. A lot of people love Aussie and they ask for deals all the time. We finally have one available. So this one is buy 3, get a $2 register reward in store, and they're BOGO 40%. What you're gonna do, the cheapest one that I saw online was $5.99. There may be a version, I thought there was something that was $4.99. I just didn't see it online. But of course, grab whichever products that you need. There's an example here. Total is going to be $15.57 for 3 products. There is a 4 off 3 digital coupon we're getting this week. You'll pay $11.57, get back a $2 register reward, makes your final cost $3.19 a piece. Another amazing deal. We've been getting this deal back to back for the last couple weeks, so you should definitely be really stocked up on oral care. That is probably the #1 product that you should never be paying full price for. Of course, what I teach my students is that you can coupon for literally any product that you need. All the postpartum care that I have been using for the last couple days, I coupon for. So my poise pads, my silhouette, depends. I've been couponing for, it's been amazing. So you can literally save on every single product that you need when you learn how to coupon. So Colgate, Crest, oral care, Scope mouthwash, all of that is a huge one. This week, they are buy 2, get a $4 register reward in store. Grab 2 at $4.50 each. There is a 4 off 2 Colgate digital coupon. You'll pay $5, get back a $4 register reward. It makes them 50 cents a piece. And yes, you can pay with $5 of Walgreens Cash if you'd like. Next, we're going to move on to the Nivea deal. So there's 2 different ways that you can do this deal. Online is actually going to be a better deal, but I wanted to share it with you guys both ways. So they are buy 1, get 1 half off, buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens Cash. What you can do, the men is cheaper at $6.99, the women's are $7.99, but again, it doesn't matter, grab whichever ones you're actually going to use. There's no coupons for this one in store. So you'll pay $10.48, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, makes it $5.48 for 2. Here's why it's better online. We have a coupon code. The code is Nivea. Now this coupon code is not going to stack with the coupon code WAG10, but Nivea saves you $5, WAG10 winds up saving you like $1.25 or something. So this one is definitely the cheaper way. You're going to grab 3 because your total has to be over $15 for that promo code to work. You'll pay $12.47, get back $5 in Walgreens Cash, makes it $7.47 for 3 of them, or just $2.49 each, which is a really good deal. I have the order summary here on the left. Of course, there is taxes that are going to be included, so it winds up being a little bit more expensive, but still a way better deal. Nature's Bounty. Love when we can stock up on vitamins. Vitamins are so expensive. So the hair, skin, and nails is one of the cheapest products for Nature's Bounty. Again, you can grab whatever you want. They're buy 1, get 1 free. Then there is a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will work. You'll pay $6.99 for 2 or just $3.49 a piece. That's about a 65% savings based off of the original price of $9.99, so that's a really good deal. Mother's Day has passed, which means Father's Day is right around the corner. So make sure you guys are picking up some really cool Father's Day cards. So what you can do is grab 2 of the ones that are $2.99. That'll bring you to $5.98. We have a 5 off 2 Hallmark digital coupon. Now this coupon varies per account. On my account, I have probably like 6 different Hallmark digital coupons. So just figure out which ones are going to be the highest value coupons for you. There's also a $2.50 off one. There's some $3 coupons, $2 coupons. So like I said, just check your account and see what you have. With the 5 off 2, you'll wind up paying 99 cents for 2 of the Hallmark cards, which is really nice. And that is even cheaper than if you were to go to the dollar store. Okay, what you always want to do every single week is check for your digital booster. Now, not every account is going to get one, and you're not going to get one every single week. So this booster worked last week and this week. It expires on the 23rd, and it's a one-time use. So once you use it, that's it. But definitely check, see what you have, and clip it. So let's go over a scenario for you guys. For the spend 40, you have to be at $40 in product value, and that is the sale price. So for example, if you were to add in the Nature's Bounty vitamins that are buy one, get one free, you would only track the $9.99 towards the spend amount of $40. You would not count it as $19.98 because that's not what it's gonna ring in for. It's gonna ring in as $9.99 and 0. So that's how you wanna put together your math. So grabbing 2 of the Crest, 2 of the Colgate, 1 of the Scott. Another deal, I didn't show it, but it's on the Dove Men deodorant spray. They are buy one, get one half off, buy 2, get a $2 register reward. So grab 2 of those. And 3 Father's Day cards. Here's all the digital coupons that you're going to be clipping and utilizing. Make sure that you double check that you have them clipped. For the deodorant, there is a 5 off 2 Dove Men. If you haven't used that yet, this would be a really good time to use it. Now let's get into how the math works. For a digital spend booster, your total has to be the spend amount in product value after any store coupons. And we do have a store coupon in this scenario. The $1.25 Scott is a store coupon. So this is the way you're gonna break it down. You have your total minus your store coupons. What's your new total? $42.67. We're above 40, so we're good to go. You have an additional $2.67 in product value that you can then use Walgreens Cash to cover. So you can only use $2 in Walgreens Cash. Then your total is $40.67. We're still over 40, so we're good to go. Now you're subtracting all of your manufacturer coupons. We have $20.50 in digital coupons. You'll pay $20.17 out of pocket. You can pay with any manufacturer register rewards that you may have. You're gonna earn back $10 in Walgreens Cash for the booster, $2 register reward for the deodorant, $3 register reward for the Crest, and $4 register reward for the Colgate. That's a lot of rewards back. Makes your final cost for all of these products $1.17, which is incredible. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want me to keep doing these types of videos, at least while I'm on my maternity leave, definitely let me know in the comments below and smash that like button for me. Thank you guys. I will see you next time.